Good morning, Balers! Welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Jake Vollmer.
Now I'm James Listen. Our quote of the day comes from a late Charlotte Wilton, who said that it is how you deal with failure that determines how you achieve success.
Drama Club meets every Tuesday at lunch in room 223 at Building F.
The Anime Comic Book Club will have their first meeting of the year. Please come to room 221 on Monday, September 13th at lunch.
Student Congress meets this Wednesday.
If you're interested in wrestling this season, go see Coach Salcedo in room 456 during lunchtime. Off-season workouts are going on now. Boys and girls wrestling officially begins November 1st.
Hey Balers, have a busy week in sports ahead. On Tuesday, girls field hockey has an away game against Prospect High, and girls tennis travels to North Salinas.
Wednesday, freshman football goes to Palma for 3:30 game, and the boys water polo goes to Olivares to take on the Eagles in the pool.
Thursday has action in cross country, field hockey, girls golf, girls tennis, girls volleyball, and boys and girls water polo.
We'll wrap up the weekend with our home games against Alizal at Andy Hardin Stadium on Friday night.
And on Saturday, varsity girls volleyball competes in the varsity tournament at Harbor High, while the freshman team takes on challengers in the Frosh tournament at Half Moon Bay.
That's it for today's bulletin, and thanks for watching.
As always, go Baylor!